What is up, you magnificent gear nerds? My name is James with Torches and Tactical, and I got a really quick one for you today. This is probably one of the most unique lights I've seen in quite some time. So you have a poly shell, you have a 180-degree rotating head with 3 different outputs. And very cool, oh here, let me show you. Very cool designs on this battery pack too. So I just want to talk to you guys about the Wurkkos HD04 real fast. I'll let you know all the specs. We'll take it outside and you can determine if Johnny number 5 or Wally, depending on your age, is something that you want to add to your arsenal. So first and foremost, here is the box. Now, I will tell you one thing. I've seen something on this box that I really, really like, and I hope it is something that Wurkkos continues to do. Uh, full full specs here. It's been on some, it's been missing on others. Uh, it's amazing that they got all of them here as well, just because this box is so small. I mean, I could literally like hide it, so you can't see any of that box, and it's just behind my hand. But I'll get the box out of the way. Then you have a user manual, and there is actually quite a bit to this light, so I highly recommend hanging on to this for just a little bit. You also have a USB-C to USB-C cable to keep it topped off, because this does have a built-in LiPo pack with USB-C on board charging. And you have right here a generic lanyard inside a little bag. So let's get this out of the way. And I know you guys are interested in seeing this, so I'm going to go ahead and show you this while I tell you about a lot of the specs. So guys, this has a spot mode, a flood mode, and an RGB. So spot, we got turbo at 750, we got high at 375, medium at 110, low at 10, and moonlight. So moonlight's going to run at 1 lumen and up to 86 hours of runtime. This does also have a strobe, SOS, and a beacon, but I'll show you how to get to all that. This does have that flood emitter right here. So flood's going to give you a high of 450, medium of 100, low of 10, and again, moonlight of 1 at 75 hours. So this has a 440 lumen strobe, SOS, and beacon. And again, I'll walk you through the user interface here in just a little bit. But this does have a built-in lithium polymer pack. This does charge at 5 volts, 0.6 amps, so 600 milliamps, and takes an hour and a half to charge. You can already see it right here, but it does have a magnet in the base, which is incredibly useful because they packed a lot in this to be able to get you as much usability as possible. Now, I know you're thinking like, okay, so they got all these features, they got, it rotates, it basically plays Twister in your hand, but is it durable? And I gotta say yes. I've been running this for a few days, and this is IPX6 water resistance rated, and I've dropped it a few times. Tell me if you can tell that I've dropped this, because I promise you I have. Oh, there's no, actually, no, that's from the glue on the pad right there. So I see zero, I see zero, maybe a little bit right there. I see pretty much no indicators that I've dropped this at all. But it is drop resistance rated at 1.5 meters. And with that battery, you can go ahead and toss it around. You can do what you got to do because it comes in at 56 grams. Those dimensions right here are 71 millimeters by 36.8 by 23.7. So it's very compact, even though it gives you all of those features. So I'm going to walk you through using it just real fast. This does have a 180-degree rotating head. So it rotates 180 degrees this way. And what's really nice, this is probably the most useful. I don't, this is probably the most use I've gotten out of the HD04 in just my testing, is because you can run this at 180 degrees. So flip it around, face it towards the back, and then flip it up, because it does rotate 95 degrees in this direction as well. So this allows you to pop it on your cap and use this as an on-brim hat light. It works really, really nicely, I gotta say. So again, 180 degrees this direction, you got 95 degrees this direction. So any way that you're thinking you might be able to get use out of this, you definitely can, because like I said, it does also have that magnet. And so if you need to, you can run this as a magnetic work light as well. And getting that usability or that rotation, I mean, you can literally point this thing anywhere you need. Super, super nice, super friendly. Let's go ahead and use the light though. So you'll see 2 buttons here. This one turns the light on, so it has a little sun indicator. and this is your mode button. So let's just go ahead and boom. So we are in spotlight mode. You can actually, here, let's go ahead and shut it off, and I'm going to press and hold. So this will go straight to your 1 lumen moonlight mode, again 86 hours. You can press and hold again. Now we got low 10, medium 110, high 375, and if we do a double press, 1, 2. So now we're at 750 lumens from the HD04. You can do the same thing. Actually, here, let's go ahead and press mode. Now we're in spotlight. You can do the same thing. You can press and hold to cycle through all of the different modes. I want to, there we go. I don't want to show you guys RGB just yet because it's got a lot of really cool features in it. But while you are here, you can go 1, 2, 3, and you do get a strobe. So now strobe runs at 750 lumens, but you can do a double press to cycle. So now we got an SOS. There you go. You can see that SOS. And if we do another double, 1, 2, you will get that beacon as well. So if you need to run to use it as a signal for quite some time, you can do that just the same. Let's go ahead and shut that off. And like I said before, this does have RGB. So RGB is really, really nice. So while when you press mode to get to RGB, it will stay on a color. Now you can press and hold, and you can run through any color which you see fit very, very nicely. Let's go ahead and do a purplish pink right now, just for argument's sake. Now, another thing you can do is a double press, 1, 2. Oh, I hit the wrong button. You can do a double press, 1, 2, and it will start to cycle. So now we are on a small, I want to kind of call it a beacon, but you got a beacon with that color that you selected. Another double press. So now it will do a slow cycle. So you can see it started at blue, went to green, yellow, pink, and it's running through those cycles again. Another double, 1, 2. So now we have red and blue. Don't use this to do anything dumb and get in trouble. Don't say I didn't warn you. Another double. Now this is going to be a breathing, and it's going to change colors between each breath of this light change as well. 1, 2. And it will go back to the beacon or slow strobe of the initial color that you had. So you can go back to it and press and hold if you want to run any other color. And all of those, 1, 2, all of those same modes, but with the new color. So here, let's go ahead and shut that off. Now that we have seen what the HD04 can do, though, I want to take this outside. I know we're not going to get like 400 meters of throw with this small light, but I do want to show you what it can do. So, guys, let's just get out and do it. All right, guys, tonight we are out with the Wurkkos HD04. Very cool little Johnny 5 or Wally light. But I'm just going to go ahead and turn it on. Let's get straight into it. So it started on flood mode, and right now we are at the 1 lumen moonlight mode. But I'll press and hold. Now it jumped up to 10. Press and hold one more time. Now we're at 100. And if I do a double, 1, 2, this is 450 lumens from moonlight mode. And we can do a triple press, 1, 2, 3. So very fast-paced strobe. So this comes in at 440 lumens for the strobe on flood. But let's go ahead and go back to the main mode. Let's cycle through. And I'm going to press and hold. So now we are in spotlight mode. So this is 1 lumen moonlight mode. This will run 86 hours. I'm going to press and hold. This is 10 lumens right here. So you can see it a little bit on the bottom. I didn't expect to see the moonlight mode on camera. But press and hold again. We're at medium. So medium is 110 in spot mode. Definitely more pronounced. One more. Now we're at 375 for high. So definitely a lot of output. And if we do double press, 1, 2, this is 750. So it doubles that 375 for turbo mode. And this is in spot mode. So we can also do that triple press, 1, 2, 3. You get that fast-paced strobe again. So this operates at 750 lumens. And from either the spot or the flood, 1, 2. When you're in the strobe mode, you can do 2 presses and it'll go to SOS and another 2, 1, 2. Now we got that beacon going. So it works really, really well. But I'm going to go ahead and press the mode button so we can see There we go. And then we can change it. So now it's going to a green color, yellow, orange, red, pink. Oh, cycling pretty quick. But we can do double presses, 1, 2. Now we have a beacon for the RGB mode, 1, 2. Now it is color changing all on its own. I'm not pressing the button right now. 1, 2. You have that red and blue flash. And again, don't do anything dumb. Don't get in trouble. 1, 2. Now we have a breathe. And with this breathe, every time it changes or every time it cycles, it's going to select a new color. 1, 2. And we go back to the beacon. Now I do want to show you a really cool trick that I noticed. I'm going to go ahead and I'm just blasting this with as much light as possible. I'm really trying to charge it up because the body of Johnny 5 or the body of Wally, whatever you want to call it, does glow. So very cool. I didn't see anything about this the first time I looked through. Maybe it was because I had an early version of the review or an early review version of the manual, but I didn't see anything about this on in the manual. But very, very cool. You can go ahead and get this body to glow quite well. I'm gonna hit it one more time. There we go. Bonus points if you can guess what light I'm using to charge up this the body of the HD04. So go ahead and make a guess down below. But that body glows really, really nicely. You can see the contrast. My thumb in front of it right now. Works really cool. I like that quite a bit. You can see it on the back as well. It does have that pocket clip. But now that we've seen what the HD04 can do, we've seen that super cool glow body. Let's go ahead and get back inside. All right, guys, we went outside with the Wurkkos HD04. And like, I'm not kidding. I've used this for probably like 6 or 7 days, just running out. And anytime I've had to go out to the shop when it's been dark, this is what I've been grabbing just because it's so small. It doesn't run a ton of juice, so that battery lasts for quite some time as well. And it's just something that is really, really nice. But I do want to know what you guys think is your favorite feature of Wally or Johnny 5 or whatever this might remind you of. I know my kids are probably going to be like, well, they haven't seen Wally, but just from their age, they would pick Wally over Johnny 5. Me, I'm a Johnny 5 guy. I'm almost 40. I'll be 40 in, next year. I'll be 40. But I want to know what your guys' favorite feature is. Do you like the fact that it rotates? Do you like the fact that you can use it as a magnetic work light, a hat light? Tell me down in the comments. My favorite feature is just the huge expanse of usability from this thing. But now that we have seen what it can do, guys, if you haven't yet, I please, genuinely, I'm pleading with you. Go ahead and give this video a massive thumbs up because I want to get this light out into the hands of as many people as possible. If you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click on that subscribe button. And when you do, click on that bell. That way you guys know when we have other amazing Wurkkos lights coming out or when we do a giveaway. Thank you guys so much. We'll see you in the next one.